All right, so let's simplify this expression. We're going to use the quotient rule. So if we are dividing and we have the same base, we get to subtract exponents. So that 2/5, x to the 2/5, we have x to a power in the denominator, so I'm going to subtract that power, which was -3/5. And then that's going to get multiplied by my y's. I would have that y to the -3/2. I'll subtract the exponent that I had in the bottom, and now that's being multiplied by z to the 2/3, and we'll subtract that -1/3 from the bottom. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start simplifying those exponents. Let's see, x to the 2/5 minus, that would be a minus, a negative is the same thing as plus, so that would be plus x to the 3/5, so that'll simplify down to x to the 5/5, which is just 1. My y's, I would have -3/2 minus another half, so that would be -4/2, which simplifies down to y to the -2. And for my z's, I would get that 2/3 minus a negative is the same thing as plus, the opposite of negative, which is positive 1/3. So that would become z to the 3/3, which is just 1. And now I have just one more thing I need to do. Since I have a negative exponent on y, then that will move down to the denominator and become positive. So it would be xz over y squared.